2 hours.
We were freezing last night, even this morning, you know?
2 hours from now.
2 hours from now. So might as well enjoy it.
Yes, enjoy it.
We were under the blankets just singing, I turned it tetim, oh, I'm a tetim, tipo, or whatever it is Diamond Platinum says in that song, you know, because it was that cold. But, guys, let me stop rumbling. Hello. Karibu niseme hero. Hey! Ama nijuni kwa Kiambu. Hello, Habari, Wendy Water here, and right now I am in a lovely container house. This is a new Airbnb. This is spanking new, guys. Spanking new. I'm in this container house on Red Hill. Well, technically we are in Denderu. Denderu, if you don't know where that is, it's RUAKA, pretty much. It's like 3 minutes away from RUAKA. So I'm going to give you guys a house tour of this really lovely place. And I'm also going to be talking to Sam, who is the guy who's built this house, and talk to you about like how he built it. You know, a lot of people want to invest to build homes, you know, holiday homes. And then I want to give you guys an idea for a place you can come to for a staycation that's really close to Nairobi. I'm here with Sam. You know what you need to say, Sam? You need to be like, hello, Water TV, and welcome to my crib. And he's the guy responsible for this beautiful house behind us. So let's give them the highlights. You built it in 6 months?
Yes.
How many bedrooms is it?
2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms. How much does it cost per night?
9,500.
9,500. And you were going to give them I'm trying to get you guys an offer. You were to give them an offer for the weekdays.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And how much?
Thursday.
Monday to Thursday. And how much?
Let's do 5,000.
Guys, come on, guys. 5,000 bob. If you want to come here anytime from Monday to Thursday, it's 5,000 bob. The booking, how do they book it? Because they can't book directly on Airbnb with that cost.
No, they can book through we have our website.
You have a website?
Yes.
Okay, the website is going to be linked below. For that rate, you're 5K, book below. If you go to Airbnb, it's 9,500. So don't say I didn't. Don't say I never put you guys onto anything. How many people does it sleep?
It can comfortably accommodate 6 people.
6 people. So
Yes.
2 people can sleep in the main bedroom.
Yes.
2 people can sleep upstairs. Upstairs are bunk beds, right?
Yes.
And those bunk beds are actually double. So
It's double and it's 5 by 6.
5 by 6.
Yes.
Then you could even squeeze in an extra person, a pacini. But let me
Even
not push
upstairs,
it.
there's a sofa.
Yeah, there's a
Quality
sofa.
customer
Like,
beds.
yo, this guy. And then the house, that 9.5, it's for the entire house. So whether you're 2 people or 6 people, that's the cost, right? So call up your friends, split that cost amongst you, and then come over. Let's go chat to Sam about how he built this container house. How much do you think you spent in total for decor, landscaping, and putting up the container house?
I'm not sure about the exact amount, but I would say it's 2.5-3 million.
What are some challenges you faced during construction?
A lot of challenges. Getting a good fundi is tough.
Yeah.
Because I can tell you for sure we've done a lot of construction. We do it, we redo it. We've done a lot of back and forth. And because, see, I was not using professionals, I was just using local fundis from nearby and referrals. So there was a lot of back and forth, that's what I would say. And then, like right now, it's expensive to get steel.
Oh, even materials were expensive.
Yes, they're expensive right now. So, but while we were constructing, there was price fluctuation.
Do you feel like you went over budget? Like the price you had in your mind versus what you ended up spending, was that more?
I didn't have a price.
Dang,
I didn't have a
okay.
budget.
So this really was just done on a whim. You were just
My
winging
house.
it.
And the reason why I took 6 months is because sometimes I had a lot of difficulties with financial.
Oh, you think you could have gone quicker?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
If I had the money, because I didn't have the money, so sometimes we would stay for 2 weeks without doing anything. Then I would get some money from here and there. There are a lot of sources where I got the money from.
Hello. Nataka kuongea na Mariko. Tafadhali dada, kwangu hii ni wrong number. You know you're a 90s baby when you remember that song. This is really cool. This is one of my favorite features. One of my favorite, like, from the bits and bobs he's added to this house. Do you have a background in construction at all? Or architecture or anything like that?
No, my background is in engineering, mechanical engineering.
Ah.
But this is more or less do it yourself, the way they do it in America.
DIY.
DIY.
Yeah.
Just do something small, you try this and that.
Yeah.
Until it works out.
What materials did you use? Where did you get the materials from? Yeah.
All the materials are sourced locally, so it's container. Basically, these are 3 containers, and then the cutouts. Upstairs we have cutouts, then the roof and a lot of wood.
By cutouts, you mean this? What do you mean by cutouts?
Like this is a cutout from the container, from the actual container. We separated the bedroom. You see, like the downstairs, it was open. We opened up the 2 containers, 20 by 20 foot.
Would you say it's 3 20 by 8 containers?
Yes.
Okay. So downstairs. You were saying downstairs?
So what we did, because we didn't have an actual plan, we cut the containers open. Then the cutouts are the ones that we used upstairs. Then slowly we'd move this one there, here, until it fit out there. The space was enough.
Wait, so you were just trying to fit it when you're in here? It's not like there was a plan?
There was no plan. Like this bedroom, it was coming up to this place. So, but we wanted to put the pool table that is downstairs here. So we thought the space would be too small. So we squeezed the bedroom outside with the other container.
What made you decide to use shipping containers? Is it cheaper than constructing with your bricks and cement and all that, Ama?
No. It's slightly expensive because of what, and it requires a lot of hard work and manpower. So what I decided, I got it by chance because I had already fenced. I was going to an auction and it generators and solar.
Generators and solar?
Yes, I was buying a container for a store. Then I got the containers, they were cheap. I bought 4 of them.
How much did you buy them for?
They were cheap then, it was I think 150.
150k per container?
Yes, that was a bargain. So once I bought them, I thought, these ones, what can I do with them? And slowly by slowly I started researching on Facebook, Pinterest, and that's how I arrived with this idea.
So the containers came first. It's not even the idea to build a home that came first.
It's by chance that we have this house here.
I don't even know how to play pool. Let's start from there. I just know you use this stick and you hit a ball and it goes into one of these 6 holes. And yes, break.
Learn today.
So how do you know though? Because like they're not like set colors. Like, oh, I'm team red, you're team green.
These ones are stripes. You can see there's a big white patch.
So it's like big patch versus small patch. That's it.
Small patch.
Okay.
I want. That's good.
Maybe I'm hustling here. Can you imagine? Maybe I'm like pretty much a champion. The house has 2 floors. We're upstairs right now. There's an extra room here, bathroom, and then a games room / lounging area. Let's go have a look around. Decided to bring in a grass carpet up here and to have the front section covered by glass. So it really makes it airy. Like, it's a nice place to chill. Is this like a games room, would you say?
Yeah, this is a chilling area.
Yeah.
You can drink here, you can play games. There are a lot of games there. That's here. But what I initially thought is I would come here and then I would sit here. It's close to the road, so you can just sit and have a look. And there are a lot of birds here.
Can you hear them? Yeah.
And fresh air.
I'm always going on about birds and fresh air in my videos. So at least you're the one who said it this time.
It's better. It gets you away from the city.
Yeah. And then it's not far from Nairobi, so it's so easy to drive here, right?
It's very easy because we just 3 minutes from RUAKA. Then from RUAKA to town is around 15 minutes.
And then you can go to 2 rivers. You can go to. I think next time I want to like have a party or have like a group of friends that I'm hanging out with and want to host, I'll be like, I'll call you up and be like, let's go to this place. I know this nice little rooftop area.
You're most welcome.
Yeah. So the room upstairs is a bunk bed. There are 2 bedrooms. One is downstairs. This is the second one. And it's double bed, so this room could sleep 4 people. You own it with who?
Me and my wife. I had purchased the land a while back. There's a friend who lives across the road. So we got the land and I saw it was prime. So we bought it. We bought it for 2 years. We paid for 2 years slowly. Because the guys who were selling, they were in no hurry. They didn't have the documentation, so it took us time. So it enabled us to pay for it within 2 years. Then after that,
What's the size of the land?
50 by 100. That's when I decided, let me just fence the place so that I can be putting some generators here and some few things.
Oh, so you had fenced the land and you were using it for storage?
Yes.
How many like fundis did you use to build the house? Like, what was that process like?
I was supervising it myself. I had to come here daily. For the last 6 months, it was hectic. But it cut off my social life. So the main fundi here is the welder. All this is welding. Mostly it's welding.
Oh.
Then we have the carpenter, because you can see there's a lot of carpentry works. That's upstairs. Then basement, I think it's the welder also. And then we come to the guy who did the gypsum. There's a lot of gypsum there. We opened in June.
June, that's
Beginning of June.
June, that's this is your second month.
Yes.
And already it was hard to get a booking. Like, I remember trying to get a date to come here and you were booked out for the month.
Mostly all the weekends are booked.
Most
for
weekends.
Functions, yes, birthdays and small functions.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's going well so far, would you say?
So far so good.
You haven't started regretting your decision?
I can't regret because I did it for myself.
Like, you'll still own the house anyway, right?
Yes, I was building it like for like a weekend. I can come here and chill and work. There's internet. It's a quiet place, so you can chill and work.
Yeah.
And enjoy.
As demonstrated by Mr. Photographer over here and Miss Model over here, the house is also perfect for Instagramming. Instagrammers, if you want to do your reels, most Instagrammable place in RUAKA.
I wish I'd take.
Let's go find this girl, Harriet. Harriet. Watch La Revancha. Let's go play darts. And our drinks are here.
Oh,
Yeah. Are you coming? Are you coming?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay. Give me mine. Let's try this.
Get closer.
That's the line? Come on. That was... Come on. Okay. Look at him. Watch him hit the bullseye. Dang, I'm just noticing now that they actually have plants.
Oh.
I just thought they were like cute tiles. I saw them from the bathroom inside. I saw them when I was chilling in that bathtub yesterday, trying to escape the cold. Dude, like, you're just brimming with ideas,
Mostly I'm reusing what I had. This surroundings.
And we're in Denderu. So Denderu is like 3 minutes away from RUAKA. And there's a lot of development coming up in RUAKA right now. I wonder, do you imagine if that moves into Denderu and then you'll be surrounded by all these apartment buildings? That could change your business.
Once we get to that point, we'll see what will work.
Yeah.
But still, the place will remain the way it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's probably still going to be a couple of years. You want to change your mind at some point and decide to put up... You could put up like 20 apartments. The way RUAKA is going right now, you could put up 20 apartments in this space.
Initially, that was my idea, that I start a container house so that in future I'll just carry the container, take them somewhere, and then build up apartments, because I didn't have the money to start up.
Yes, that's sensible.
But after I was done with everything, I don't think that's possible.
I
enjoy the
it's
peace,
too nice. It's too nice, right? Yeah. So I'm sitting at the entrance to the Airbnb, right? I'm sitting by the door because it is quite cold inside. The weather here is a bit like Limuru. It is very, very cold, so make sure you pack warm clothing when you're coming. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, like whether it's from the perspective of you looking to build your own accommodation or container house, or from the perspective of you looking for a place to go for a staycation, for a little getaway very close to Nairobi. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you, more like you will see me in the next video. I don't know what to say. Which one is it? Which one should it be? Anyway, bye.